Hello everyone, it's Janine here at my studio space. So today we're going to be painting a pen pot, or as they call it here, a desk tidy. So this is from the works. If I'm able to, I'll link it below. This video isn't sponsored. I just thought it would be a nice little project that maybe you can easily pick up one of these, or if not, then maybe you just enjoy some of the patterns and techniques I'm showing you in this video. So to start with, I'm gessoing it. Gesso just gives a layer for the paint to grip onto. It just coats the wood and stops the paint seeping into the wood. You don't have to do this. You could just do it with white paint if you don't have any gesso. It just, like I said, it just gives your project a coating before you start painting. But yeah, you can do it with white paint if you don't have gesso. As I always say, use what you have. So yeah, this has spaces to put photographs in. I've just taken the hearts out for painting it and painting them back in. Well, I presume it's for photographs. Like, you can do what you want with it. So yeah, for this is actually for doing this for somebody's birthday present. So as I know that they like green, I'm starting off sponging on some green with my little sponge. If you don't have a sponge, you can paint it with a paintbrush. And if you've got an old paintbrush, you could probably create similar kind of texture with an old paintbrush by kind of pouncing the paintbrush up and down. But I wouldn't do that with a brand new paintbrush because you'll ruin the bristles. You could also look at my mark making video and think about different things you have around the house to create different textures while you're painting. I'll try and remember to link that video. So now I've finished the layer of sponging on this paint pot, on the pen pot, and now I'm just doing, so I've let all that dry. The sponge is now dry, and I'm now painting on some different random shapes. I'm doing quite an abstract design, and I'm also, it's like a tone on tone, so these shapes don't make a stand out because I'm still using greens, but I quite like the idea of kind of a subtle pattern. So like I say, even if you don't have this pen pot to be decorating, you could try like tone on tone patterns on a piece of paper, or some card or whatever you have lying around. This doesn't have to be a pen pot project, but I hope it gives you some ideas, and it's a nice project to do if you do happen to be heading into the works or shopping online. I mean, I bought this online. So I'm doing a similar sort of thing, painting different shapes on the sides as well. So I do this all the way around on all four sides. And also I've just painted the inside, but I just did that with a paintbrush. And I'm just painting these little hearts now. And now I'm using a Posca pen to outline my shapes. I decided to go with silver, but you can use whatever you want and whatever colour you like. And if you don't have Posca pens, you could do this with a paintbrush. It doesn't have to be done with Posca pens. And then I'm just adding a little bit of detail around the top edge. I'm just doing some little dots. And then this is the finished project. So quite a simple project, but just a bit of fun. I did cut out and stick some photos onto the hearts with my project. As I said, this is for somebody's birthday present, so I haven't showed the photos on this because it's more personal. But you can do what you want. You could decorate the hearts more than I've done on mine. As I say, like, I just put the hearts back in for and painted them for YouTube. Like, I just cut out and stuck the photos onto the wooden hearts for my project. I hope you're all keeping well and staying safe, and if you do head out to the shops, please do wear your mask and do it safely. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this video, And thank you for watching, and thank you to everybody that has subscribed. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and please also hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and do leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Okay, bye for now.